Hi you guys, hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So today I am so excited as always because I have another Christmas video for y'all. So today we're gonna be making these adorable little ornaments. We're gonna be making these out of salt dough. It is honestly the easiest thing to make in the entire world. The recipe is going to be posted right above me, and it's also going to be listed down in the description box, everything that you guys are going to need, so feel free to screenshot that. This is a perfect Christmas activity to do if you want to make special homemade gifts, if you want to do something fun with your kids, or even have a little date night with your boyfriend or your girlfriend. My boyfriend and I had a little date and we made these cutie little ornaments. We have a bunch that we still need to decorate. So it's so perfect for the holiday times, and you can make anything you want. So without further ado, make sure that you give this video a big thumbs up for me. You're subscribed to my channel, turn on those notification bells, and we can hop right into this tutorial. So you guys are going to start off with your large mixing bowl and just mix those dry ingredients together. We're going to be using 1 cup of all-purpose flour, which for my non-American friends is 120 grams, and 1/2 cup of salt, which is 140 grams of salt. Next, we're going to just mix those together. You guys can use a fork or your hands. Now we're going to be adding our cinnamon as well, guys, and it's around 3 tablespoons, but honestly, you can add as little or as much as you want. It's strictly for aroma, so whatever your personal preferences are. Little by little adding our water, guys. We're going to be using a 1/2 cup or 118 milliliters today, and just gradually mixing that in until you get a nice dough consistency. Once it's nice and thick and all that flour has pretty much been picked up, you guys can knead your dough for around 2 minutes. Now this dough is ready to use right away, guys, but you can keep it in your fridge for up to 5 days. Now you guys can mold this into any shape that you'd like, or you could use cookie cutters, whatever you prefer. I am just making a cutie little copy of our apartment key to have a little sentimental ornament. I'm also using Christmas cookie cutters because these are going to be for our tree. And don't forget, guys, because these are going to be ornaments, we want to create a small hole so we can add a hook and add it to our tree. We're going to toss these in the oven for 3.5 hours at 250 degrees Fahrenheit or 120 degrees Celsius. When these bad boys come out of the oven, they should be as hard as stone. And now here comes the really fun part. We're going to be decorating. You do want to remember to get something to hook your ornaments onto the tree with. I was just using these cutie little ribbons, but you can paint your ornaments and decorate them however you want. That is up to you, and you can get really creative and fun with this step. Like I said, guys, that was literally the easiest, most simple thing you could possibly do as a Christmas craft. This is so sweet and cutie to do with your girlfriends, your significant other, your kids, if you want to give a special sentimental gift, because you guys can make really personal and cute things together and keep it forever. It's also really adorable if you have a little baby at home and you want to make an imprint of their hands or little feet. That's so cute as well. Make sure that you guys check out my previous video, which is also a Christmas craft video. I am making cake pops in that one, and let me tell you, they're pretty cute. And I really hope that you guys like that video. So I'm gonna link it up above for you. In the next few weeks, I do have some really exciting fun things coming. So we're doing some giveaways. We're gonna be doing some really exciting Christmas looks that I I just cannot wait for. So to make sure you don't miss out on those, give this video a big thumbs up for me. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel, turn on your notification bells, and I can't wait to see you guys next time. Bye!